Hi everyone, this is Ziad from Geek Productions, and we are going today to unbox and review two different AirPods from Basus. As you might know, Basus is one of the biggest seller on AliExpress, and both of these AirPods cost around from 13 to 15 euro, depends also on the time when you buy it. Of course, these two AirPods comes with a lot of features, and of course one of the features, it comes with Bluetooth 5.3, and it's also IPX5 waterproof, and also it's the runtime of it. It's in total 33 hours, and the playback is 6 hours. So there's also touch control. So as you know, Apple AirPods, so you can open or receive or go to the next music, or skip the music, or go back. So all these, it's included, and it also comes with charge interface type C. So as you see here, also just open the case and press on the button for like 10 minutes, and it will show up on your device, so you can connect with it easily. The case of it, it's a little bit, if you want to compare it with the Apple AirPods 2, it's a little bit of course bigger, and also it's thicker. So but it's not that big or thick, you know. In the thickness it's almost the same, but with the size it's a little bit bigger or wider. So here we also going to the Baseus E19. The case of this a little bit bigger, wider and thicker, and also it comes with a spare or reserve for a smaller type air. As you see here, you have also the warranty card. There's also the guide menu that you can of course use it all with your Mac, with your phone, just connect it with the Bluetooth. Here's also our you can see how the touch control work. So two double tap, triple double tap, long press for 1.5 seconds. What I think about these, the sound of it, if I want to compare it with the AirPods 2, it's a little bit quieter. The sound of it, it's not so bad. It's good, it's clear, but when you are using just one side, for instance the right or the left, the sound or the call, if you are making a call, it's a little bit quieter, so you need to wear two sides just to hear it clearly, or you need just to raise up the volume just to hear it in a better way. So that's a little bit mind concerning about these. But for the rest, it's nice. I need to say the E16, because you know they are directly touching your ear. It's a little bit not soft like the AirPods 2, but I believe also you gonna used to it, because you know you are not gonna have that feeling every day maybe, or after a while you don't care about that feelings. I hope this review was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.